this is my FTX Comet, and as I say, I am super impressed with this little car. I've been messing around with it and having a little play, and I think, bearing in mind we're going to be running this indoors, the car is going to hold up very nicely. But let's talk a little bit about batteries. So this car comes with a 6.4 volt battery, which has this very odd looking black adapter for charging. If you compare it to this battery, which comes out of the FTX Ravine, it has a much more familiar plug there which you can charge from. Now, I have been a little bit sneaky and I have put the Ravine battery into the Comet, and it fits perfectly into the compartment. So, although they have different charging points, they both actually attach to the car using the mini Tamiya connector. So, what I want to show you now is this cracking little charger. Super easy to use. Now, this is a little quick unboxing to show you what you get. You get your charger, which, as I say, super simple, super easy. Inside you get a pamphlet, give you some instructions, and a plug. Now, these are being sold as Sunday models at a cracking price, which is, anyone that's got the FTX Ravine, this would be a superb charger to get you away from the USB chargers. Now, the typical charge on a USB charger is a couple of hours, whereas this, I charged yesterday a battery and it went from 25% to 100% in as little as half an hour to 40 minutes. Simply plug the battery into the charger like so, and now as you can see it's flashing to say that it's 25% charge and it's charging up to 50%. Couldn't be simpler. It lets you know exactly how much charge is in the battery. This is why running a Comet on the Ravine batteries would be a much better idea. Not only can we get away from using the USB chargers, which do take a long time, you're also going to get some additional power, and this is going to be transferred into speed on the track. Now, the current footage you're seeing is the 6.4, and now this car here is running the 7.2. It is much quicker, and on an indoor track which we'll be running at Sunday models, this is more than fast enough. So get yourself one of these chargers, get yourself one of these cars, and pop along to Sunday models and we'll race you there.